Hi everyone, my name is Shayla. I'm an adult services librarian at the main branch of CCPL, and happy summer reading. I hope you all are reading some really fun and exciting books this year. Our summer reading theme is Tales and Tales. So it's obviously related to animals, and I have a really fun and easy treat for you to make with your whole family. And it's going to be these wonderful DIY gummy bears. So I'll show you one right here. So if you want to learn how to make this delicious treat, just keep on watching. So here's the ingredients for our DIY gummy bears. First off, you're going to need some gelatin. This is a tablespoon right here. You're also going to need a 3-ounce box of Jell-O. You can use any flavor that you want. I have grape flavored Jell-O right here. You also need a 1/2 cup of water. Then as far as tools are concerned, you're of course going to need your gummy bear molds. Like right here, I have 2 of them. You're going to need a silicone brush, and you're going to need a food dropper to get your liquid to your silicone molds. And also you'll need some cornstarch, and the cornstarch is going to help the gummy bears not stick to the mold and when you mix them in the end. I also have our sheet pan right here. You're going to also need some wax paper to put on top. And then finally, you're going to need a medium-size saucepan. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pour the water into our saucepan. And then I will set this on low heat. And then once the water is heated up, we're going to add the gelatin and our Jell-O together, and we're going to mix it in until it dissolves. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I will be right back. Okay, so we have dissolved our gelatin and our Jell-O. Should have a mixture just like this. And now what we're going to do, we're going to brush our silicone molds with a little bit of cornstarch so our liquid won't stick to the molds. So you're going to take your silicone brush and dip it in a little bit of our cornstarch. Just basically kind of spread it on just like this. You know, just try to do just a light dusting. You can always tap a little bit of it off. And that should be enough here. If you feel like you have too much in there, just go ahead and tap it on the pan like this. So it should be like covered somewhat like this right here. Okay, so now we have our food dropper here, and we'll take some of our liquid. We're going to put the food dropper just to get like a good amount. It'll probably go at least halfway. Okay, we're going to take our mold and we're going to fill it with our liquid. Just like this. It doesn't need a whole lot of liquid, just try to get it to at least least close to the top. So I was able to do 4 with that first batch. Probably just try to get in as much as you can in the dropper. And just continue to do it with the rest of them. And just like this. And of course you're going to have to keep coming back to your liquid to fill the dropper with some more liquid. Okay, and there is my second row of these. So I'm going to continue to fill up both of these, and once you have done that, you're going to put them in your refrigerator for at least 15 to 20 minutes so they can firm up, and then we can then I can show you the finished product. So I'm going to keep doing this and I will be right back. So here's the final result of our DIY gummy bears. I'm going to show you 2 different sizes. I ended up going also with a larger silicone tray. So I'll show you the small one that I used first. This is probably going to be teeny tiny. You probably can't really see that, but you can kind of see it is a gummy bear some sort right there. They turned out really, really cute. And the larger one that I had, you can definitely see that is a gummy bear right there. So that turned out really cute as well. So what you're going to do after that, you're going to go ahead and put a little bit more of the cornstarch on and mix them around so you can so they won't stick to each other, because you don't want that. And then you can put these in an airtight container, or even a plastic bag, such as like this. And it should be good for at least a week, although I don't think these will last that long, because everybody's going to want to try them and eat them. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you make this for you and your whole family. It's a really fun activity to try while you're reading some of those awesome books. And we hope to see you at the library soon. And once again, happy summer reading, everybody. Bye.